Among the negative traits of the soul is counting the favors one does to others. This undoubtedly cancels the reward one could have obtained if they acted sincerely for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 264.
O you who have believed, do not invalidate your charities with reminders of it or injury.
If one acts for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, they should seek reward from Him and no one else otherwise. They will be left empty-handed on Judgment Day. This is warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3154. The source of everything one gives to others is Allah, the Exalted. He is the creator and real owner of every blessing, so a person should never take pride in helping others when the source of the help is Allah, the Exalted, alone. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.